So I built this leakage gas detector. What it does, it automatically sends an alarm to you each time you forget to off your gas. Let's say you're cooking and you forgot to off your gas. This device will be able to send you an alarm sound that okay, you forgot to off your gas. Now I would also guide you in a step-by-step tutorial on how to build yours too. It doesn't matter if you do not know any experience at all, just stay close. So what you'll be needing for this project is an Arduino Uno board, the USB Arduino cable, the gas sensor. This is what you use to detect the gas leakage. This is the beeping device, what makes sounds, what sends you the alarm. Your lighter and some few jumper wires. On the gas sensor, there is a label pin called VCC, GND, and AO. Now you have to connect the VCC using the jumper cable to the 5 volts of the Arduino Uno board. Now you have to connect the ground pin, which is the GND pin of the gas sensor, to the GND pin of the Arduino Uno. All this stuff are labeled beside the Arduino Uno and gas sensor. And lastly, for the gas sensor, the AO pin to the AO pin of the Arduino Uno board also. Now for the beeping device, what makes it sound? There are 2 pins there, which is positive and negative. Connect your jumper wire from the negative to pin 3 of the Arduino Uno. You see digital pin there, digital pin 3, and the negative to GND of the Arduino Uno. You could check out the code required for this on the comment section or description section, and the diagram for this. Now you're to connect the USB to your computer in order to run the code that will run this stuff and program it to send all the alarms and everything. Now all we need to do is to connect this to our laptop, open our Arduino software, download this code and diagram on my GitHub profile, open it and run the files. The first one is the code, the second one is the diagram. The diagram explains everything you need, where you need to put in case you do not get it. Now we're going to test it. If you need any help on anything, just send me a message on the comment section, or if you need to purchase any of these products, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.